Welcome student. Today we will discuss about the CD, DVD and Blu-ray disc. Okay. First of all, basic thing about the CD, DVD and Blu-ray disc. These all are the secondary memory devices. Means whenever you want to store any data as your permanent way. That means whenever you want to store data permanently, that time you use a CD and that time you use a DVD and Blu-ray disc. But what is the basic difference between a CD and DVD and Blu-ray disc, right? The common features of CD and DVD and Blu-ray disc are that is used for a data store. Okay, whenever you want to store any data digitally, that time you can use a CD and DVD and Blu-ray disc, right? Another thing is that CD and DVD and Blu-ray disc that is depending on reflection. Whenever light is reflected on laser beam is reflected on a particular surface of CD or DVD, that time it's reflect and data either can read, otherwise write. So there are the two words are here. First one is a strong reflection and another one is a weak reflection. Whenever whenever laser beam strongly reflected, it means the quality of CD or DVD that given a perfect result. Okay, and whenever the laser beam reflected on the material of CD or DVD as weakly, that means that is not reflected on properly and data can't read or write properly. CD has a multiple tracks. Okay, first of all we just discussed about the CD. The CD has a multiple tracks. Tracks means what? As we already discussed about the hard disk. Hard disk have a multiple tracks and tracks also divided in a multiple sectors. Okay, the data will stored in a individual sectors. Okay, so in the CD also there are multiple tracks are available, but the data will stored as a bits and line. So what is a bits and line? That we will discuss in the structure of CD. The laser beam that is reflected in particular metallic material that is coated with a plastic. Next one is that DVD. So why need a DVD? If we already invented CD, so what's the need of DVD? Okay, so that is a basic question of all of you. Why introduce a DVD if you can store a data in the CD? So why need of DVD? So that is the question's answer is that whenever you want to store a multiple data, means the data is higher capacity to store a data, right? That time you can use a DVD. CD have some limitation to storing the data, and DVD have that extend that limitation to storing a data, right? So DVD use the shorter wavelength laser and track separation bits depth and minimum bit length are all smaller. DVD can store up to 30 times more than information than CD. Means CD have a lower capacity to storing a data when DVD has a higher capacity to storing a data. Next thing, quality, right? So first difference you can clearly understand. Suppose you want to store whole movie, otherwise suppose you want to store multiple movies, that time you use a CD, that time you use a DVD, not a CD, because CD have a limit to storing a data, and DVD have a extended to storing a data limitation. Okay, another thing is that quality. CD has a lower quality to storing the data, and then it's consume more time to read and write data, right? You can read here the sampling rate is 44,100 sample per second. Compared to DVD, its wavelength is short, so human easily hear a particular voice, and data easily can read and write. Now we just move on the DVD. So what is a DVD? DVD, the name, full form of DVD is that digital versatile disc. Otherwise you can say it is a digital video disc. Okay, that was the first DVD was invented in Japan, and that in 1995, right? So why need of DVD, right? DVD means you can store a larger amount of data digitally. That time you use a DVD. The storing capacity of DVD, that is a 17 gigabyte compared to CD. Okay. So first of all, which are the properties of DVD? It is used to larger amount of data, means like suppose you want to store a whole movie, suppose you want to store any business information, right? That time you use DVD. And DVD is a replacing of CD and videotape and laser disc, right? These all are the components that replacing by DVD. The storage capacity of DVD, that is a 4.7 gigabyte up to 17 gigabyte. There are three formats are available for a DVD: DVD 5, DVD 9 and DVD 10. The application of DVD, basically there are three types of DVD available: DVD R, DVD ROM and DVD RAM, right? That we will discuss in next lecture.